How to make money on Capterra by writing reviews. Capterra is the world's leading software reviews and selection platform. Here, you write reviews on different softwares and websites and then earn money through it. So Capterra pays you $10 per review. So if you are writing 5 to 10 reviews a day, then you will make $50 to $100 per day, which is amazing. So this is what Capterra is, capterra.com. You can see right here, this is the search engine for Capterra, where you can actually go ahead and find any of the software or websites that you want to write a review on. Then there is categories, of course. Again, these are the categories that are available on Capterra to write a review on. You can see browse all the software categories right here. You can see there are hundreds of thousands of categories of different softwares and websites and apps that are available for you to write a review on. So you can go ahead and choose any of these to write a review on, or the website or softwares that you have used and write a review on that. After that, you can see there is this write a review option. We can go ahead and do that. And then for vendors, if you are a vendor, then you will go right here. And then there is login and sign up option. So let's sign up real quick, shall we? All you have to do is just sign up with social, email address, add your email address or password. I'm just gonna go ahead and sign up with my Google account. Great. The signing up process literally took 1 minute. Now this is the dashboard for Capterra. You can see again, this is the search bar, software categories, write a review, and this is what Capterra is looking right now. So they're asking me to complete my profile real quick. So let's do that. What you have to do is just add a company name and the size of the company, and just add any industry, sub-industry, just anything. Add all the information right here and save changes. This is like not that necessary, but of course if you are using Capterra and you will be writing reviews, so you'll have to simply do that. And then there is this deactivate account option, which is like straight away in the start. You don't have to find it anywhere. So let's go back to the dashboard, and you can see right here, this is the software categories, and let's jump into it and let me show you how many software categories there are on Capterra. You can see that a lot. Okay, you can see this is alphabetically, and you can see in A we have literally hundreds of thousands of categories with that are arranged alphabetically, which is awesome. So you can go ahead and select any of these. Now, if you want to save time and you're like, okay, this is a lot, how will I find an app or website that I have used and I want to give review about? You will just simply go ahead and type whatever you want to write here. For example, okay guys, so let's go with email marketing, and I will, there you go, email marketing software. Now I have chosen this category right here. Now I will see all the website and different softwares that come under the email marketing software category. Now you can see almost all of the websites can be found here, and you might have used any one of these or different at a time maybe. So you can go ahead and review them right here. So one thing that I want you to keep in mind is that the reviews that get money, so the reviews that will get published will get money. And to make your review countable, you'll have to write a very good review. So I suggest like write a review on something that you have used. Don't go crazy and write a review about something that you have never used, and that will not be cool and you will not make any money. So you can see under email marketing, they have Gmail. Now everybody has used Gmail, of course, and then there is HubSpot. I have actually used HubSpot as well, but I'm going with Gmail just to show you that there are literally everything that you have. Maybe there are different websites that you have used. Very common websites are also available to give a review on. So we'll just go ahead and check out the profile for Gmail right here, you can see that it has around about 4,828 reviews written. Now they have given you, when you open a website on Capterra, you will see that they give you the information about the app or software and everything, and then you can actually go ahead and check out the reviews that are written by different people. So you can see right here that these are the different reviews that are written. Now I want to show you because you're gonna make money by writing a review. So let's check out the different reviews that are getting money. So these are all the reviews that got money because they are published. Right here we have a review which is 10 on 10, which is amazing. So you can see right here, this person, Selena D. So what she did is she has written a review which is overall review of your review. Like you give an insight of what you are going to say in your review, and you're like, okay, if you liked it or you did not liked it. So this is where you will give the overall of your review. Then you write the pros. In the pros, you will write everything you like about the app. Like she has written different things. I love the extra features that Yahoo does not offer, like phone calls and hangouts. And then there over Gmail is the best email option for me. So she has written all these pros. And then there is a cons option. Now you have to write a con option. You cannot be like, okay, I'll give a good review and they will allow me to publish it. No, they are very fair and square in this matter. So you'll have to write a con as well. For example, she's saying, I feel there are no cons with Gmail. Now she has not actually written any cons, but she's saying at least not for me. I have been using it for 5 years and whatever she wrote. So she's like, she has given actually a very good review. Then you can check out that there are reviews that are bad. Like this person, he or she, let me check, Christopher W. So he has like given a bad review, and you can see that they have published it because they want honest reviews. So you need to write an honest review for them and a good review, and when you will write that, they will send you the money. Simple as that. So now you have an insight of what the review look like and how you can choose a category. So let's write a review. So right here, we're gonna write our review. You can see the softwares are suggested right here. For example, the trending ones or a different category that you will select. So you can go ahead and filter by category right here, select it, or you can simply go ahead and write the name of any software or website that you were looking for. So we're gonna write a review on Gmail. So you can go ahead and type Gmail. Now you can see they're saying write a review for Gmail. So what I have to do is that I will have to fill this form up. This is like very basic: first name, last name, email address, job title, organization name, industry, company size, and how long have you used this software for, and then how frequently do you use this software, what is the role in using this software. Like they have these 3 pages, and this is the first one. So let me fill this up real quick. So once you have filled this up, we can go ahead and click on next. So I have like basically added just random information. Okay, so then you're gonna click next. Once you do that, now this is the page for the like stars and everything, and you'll have to fill this up. Now this is literally the process that's gonna be for your review, and after this we will write a review. So it literally takes 3 pages or documents to write a review, and you get $10 for this. So overall quality, you can go ahead and just go ahead and add the stars that you want to add for that website. Again, don't go over the board and lie about it, and don't like go crazy. But if you do like the app, you can go ahead and give them 5 stars. After that, you have to rate different features, and then how does the pricing for Gmail compare to the similar products. Now they're asking you, you'll have to add like if it's inexpensive or it's mid-tier expensive, anything you'll have to choose. How likely is it that you would recommend Gmail to a friend or colleague? So you'll have to fill up this form as well, then click on next. Once you do that, now we're here to write the review. You can see you can give a title to your review. Now if you have a good review or whatever you want to write, for example, I can write that Gmail works for me, and then I will write the pros right here, and I can write a long paragraph, as we saw that different people have written. And then there is a cons option. What did you like least about this software? And you will just simply go ahead and type right here. After that, describe your overall experience with Gmail, and then you can write an overall right here. Now you can see that the pros and cons are necessary, but this overall thing is optional if you want to write or not. You should write it if you want to get money. And then, did you switch from another product? Then you can go ahead and add this right here. And after that, you have to agree by this thing which is written here. For example, by submitting this review, I certify to Capterra and its affiliates and everything. Like, you're giving a good review. Once you do that, you can simply click on submit. So right now I am not doing that because they'll be like, what kind of review is this? So I will not submit, but that's it, guys. All you have to do is just click on submit and your review will be submit. So once your review is submit, what you have to do is you have given your email, and then you just set up a bit, and then they will verify your money by email and they will notify you if your review gets published on Capterra. So if your review does get published, you can go ahead and write 10 reviews right now and make $10 by sitting at home. So yeah, guys, this was Capterra for you. You can just simply go ahead and write any review or for any of your favorite software or website and earn money. I hope I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.